Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Firdasari, ID number 824124118, class C. Here I will explain the topic of gravity. The learning objectives this time are: after studying this topic, students are able to understand the concept of gravity, explain Newton's law, universe gravitation, identify factors affecting gravitational force, describe the properties of gravity, apply the formula to solve simple problems. Next, example of gravity in everyday life. In the first image, the illustration shows an object falling toward the earth due to gravity. The earth pulls the apple downward because it has a much larger mass. The force of gravity causes the apple to accelerate as it falls. In the second picture, this illustration shows how gravity keeps planets in orbit around the sun. The gravitational force from the sun pulls the planet inward, while the planet's motion keeps it moving forward. This balance creates an orbital path. Next, in the third picture, this illustration explains why astronauts appear weightless in space. They are actually still affected by gravity, but they are in a continuous free fall state around the Earth. This creates the sensation of floating. These examples show that gravity affects both small objects on Earth and large objects in space. Next, what is gravity? Gravity is a fundamental force that attracts objects with mass toward each other. It acts over a distance without the need for physical contact. Many objects can influence each other even in empty space. The strength of gravitational force depends on two main factors: the mass of the object. Greater mass produces strong force. The distance between them, greater distance weakens the force. Gravity is responsible for many natural phenomena such as objects falling to the ground and planets orbiting the sun. Gravity is not only found on Earth, but also exists in space. It is the force that keeps planets, moons, and satellites in her orbits. Next, Newton's law of gravitation. Every object attracts another object with a gravitational force proportional to their masses, inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This law explains how the strength of gravity changes depending on mass and distance between objects. Next, the equation used thus: F equals G times M1 M2 divided by R squared, where F equals gravitational force in newtons, G equals gravitational constant 6.674 times 10 to the power of negative 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. M1 equals mass of the first object in kilograms. m2 equals mass of the second object in kilogram. R in equals distance between the centers of the two objects in meter. From this equation, we can see that increasing mass will increase the force, while increasing distance will decrease it significantly. Next, gravitational force has special properties, always attractive towards an all object with mass, exceeded distance, equal and opposite force. These properties make gravity different from other processes, especially because it always attacks an attractive force. Next, acceleration due to gravity and weight. Acceleration due to gravity, g is the acceleration experienced by an object when it falls freely under the influence of gravity. On Earth, the value of g is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared, which means that the velocity of a falling object increases by 9.8 meters per second squared every second. Weight W is the force exerted by gravity on an object. It depends on both the mass of the object and the gravitational acceleration. The relationship between weight and gravity is given by W equals m times g, where W equals weight Newton, mW mass kilogram, g equals acceleration due to gravity meter per second squared. This means that an object with greater mass will have greater weight, and if the value of g changes, for example on the moon, the weight will also change. Next, as forward to conclude, gravity is a fundamental force that attracts objects with mass. According to Newton's law of universal gravitation, it depends on mass and distance. Gravity also causes acceleration g and determines an object with weight W equals m times g. It plays an important role in both the universe and everyday life. Well, that's my presentation. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.